Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Pawaboo Pet Grooming and Vacuuming Dryer Kit. So I was given this product to me for free, but this is my own opinion. And my opinion is this is a very nice pet grooming. It's made very well, but it also has lots of very useful features. So it comes very well packaged. Here's everything you get in the kit. It's got a very nice manual. I also like how, so some dogs may not like, or cats may not like the sound of this, but it's got some instructions here on helping your cats or dogs getting used to the sound of it that work very well. So we got some blower attachments. This can be a blower for drying your dogs, and it also has a heater built in, and it also has a vacuum. So these are some combs and brushes when you want to vacuum and brush your dog at the same time. It also has clippers. So the clippers, you do have to charge them up with USB-C right there, and they are battery powered, and they work very well. Press and hold the button to turn it on and off. We've got two hoses. This hose is for vacuuming. This hose is for blow drying. Okay, so here's the unit as it comes out of the box. So it's set up for blow drying. So the air is going to be blowing out this way, and it's going to be sucking air in this way. When you want to vacuum your dog hair, you're going to attach this attachment. Up here is the controls, very nice controls. You've got 3 positions: off. Now the middle position is fan only, and the far position is fan and heater. Again, if you look down here, when it's blowing, it can blow hot air. That's like a little blow dryer element down in there. And this is our speed control. So you turn it on, and then you're going to adjust the speed with this. That's a very nice feature. So around the bottom, there are these feet that slide out to give it more stability, and you can mount this to a wall. It's got 3 positions, 3 screws, and it does come with the screws. Okay, so let's use it for a blower first. You're gonna plug this end in. This one's got a little cushion on it because there is hot air. If you have it on the heater, there will be hot air coming out of here, and the hose does get a little bit warm, but not too bad. Very simple. You're just gonna push this in, rotate it, and then it does come with 3 different nozzles. Very, very easy to use. Turn it on. Let's go to heat. That is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Let's go to this one, more of a concentrated one. Now if I turn it down, that's low speed. I can feel the heat coming out of there. It's not super, super hot, but it is very warm. Okay, so let's convert it to a vacuum. We're going to take this hose off. Now we have to take this part off. There's a little lock and unlock symbol up here. Turn this to the unlock position, and you're going to pull this off. There is this little filter. This comes off, and this stay off. Now we got to put this on. This is the vacuum. Now when you want to remove the debris, it's going to suck in hair in here. You just got to pull this part out. That's how you're going to empty it. Now there is a flat spot right there. It's going to line up with that flat spot. Line up those flat spots, and then just kind of give that a push. Make sure that's nice and seated. Now again, this has a lock and unlock symbol on it. Line it up with this arrow in the unlock position. You're going to have to kind of push it on a little bit. And then as you're pushing, turn it, and it should click. Now it's in the lock position. Now we're going to attach the other hose. Okay, so this end of the hose, you're going to put it in like this. Okay, so I've got the hose attached. These are all the attachments I can use for vacuuming. They attach really easy. I like that they turn. And then the suction is right here as you're combing. That's a very nice feature. And then when you want to clean the hair off the comb, just press that button and it'll get sucked right into there. This one works just a little bit different. Normally the comb is retracted. You press this button. So normally they're retracted, but when you want to comb your dog, you're going to press this. It's going to stay out, comb your dog, and then when you want it to suck all that hair in, just push it again, and it'll suck it in. And then we also have the clippers. Attach the clippers, again, long press this, it turns on. It's going to tell you how much percentage you've got, so I got 66% left. There's the clippers. Now the suction for the clippers is right there. And then I've got these different combs that I can attach. Okay, so I'm going to try the vacuum part on my dog, and this brush works very well for her. So I'm first going to turn it on. Okay, so we can see just by using it that little bit, I've got some hair in here. This does a really good job of cleaning up the hair. Now, when you're on suction, make sure you don't put it on heat. Just put it on the middle switch only. You don't want to use the heater when you've got the suction going on. So you're just going to use the middle position only. Okay, so the cord that comes with it is 120 inches long. It is 3-prong. Let's open this up and see how easy it is to. So there's the dog hair that it got. I would take this over to the trash can and just empty it out. Okay, so the filter does come apart a little bit more. You can turn this, and there's the paper filter. So sometimes you will have to blow that off individually, and maybe you could rinse this off, but make sure this is all dry. Don't get this part wet right here. And you're just gonna put it on until it clicks. Also comes with a very nice manual, talks about all the different attachments. Again, it just seems like it's very well made. It's got good quality, easy to use, not super loud, but they do give you some tricks on helping your dog or cat get used to it. It does even come with a strap. You could attach the strap here and put that around your shoulder. I'm just very impressed with this product. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.